or an auto debit agreement covered by a deed of undertaking. The deed of undertaking is a document which your buyers need to sign, especially kung mag-ADA, auto debit. That agreement simply states that if your buyer misses a monthly payment, depending on the agreed date between your buyer and CLI, CLI has the right to apply penalties or to cancel the account. Okay? Now, when we do the conversion, magsabot man ta, ma'am, how much do you want to pay? Now, based on the simulation of the price list earlier, for example, it's 5,900 a month. Okay? Ang equity payment. The first equity payment is always demandable 30 days from reservation date. Okay? So normally, we agree during conversion. Okay, ma'am, your unit is a townhouse and it is expected of you 30 days from today to pay 5,900. And then you or your buyer with you will say, but ma'am, I want to pay more. So that my balance at the end of the equity will be smaller. For example, you will say, I can pay, your buyer will say, 10,000 a month. The first thing we will ask you, what date do you commit to pay? You can choose any date in the month, for as long as there is a payment that comes in every month. Okay? Normally, the buyers choose the last day. Okay? So, sweldo on the last day. So, for example, you'll say, okay, since the reservation, for example, is done June 25. So, on July 25, we expect a payment. But your buyer will say, pwede July 30. I will say, okay, July 30. We're going to put it in our document. A document that's going to be signed by your buyers or by you if you are authorized on the day of conversion. And then the next question would be, how much? 5,900 ramam ang i-expect. But your buyer says, I can pay 10,000. It's perfectly okay. It will be computed and it will show on the amortization sheet that 10,000 every month is expected.